Alright guys, in this quick tutorial, I'm going to show you the three cool source that you can use to create a good looking and free logo for your website. So if you want to know, let's get down to it. Alright guys, one of the free sites is the Adobe Premiere. So I'm on Adobe Premiere right now. So let's create a logo. You want to first sign into this program here. So you want to go to Adobe Premiere and sign up for your own account. So you want to go to Home and type in logo. As you can see, yes. But then some templates will pop out right here. Let's say you want to use this one right there. Let's customize this one. Then you can go. You want to change the background color. You can then choose the color that you want. Let's say you want to customize the color. Let's say you want blue. So you can then go. You want to change the text. Yeah, change the text. So let's say, as you can see, so our logo is now ready. So this logo now, if you want to download it, you can click this right here, download it, then go down to your website and upload it. So let me show you the second source that you can get a free logo for your website. You can make a free logo for your website. So Canva is another great source that you can use to make a free logo for your website. So let's say I want to make logo. Let's write logo. We need a template here. Then search for a logo. So let's use this one right here. These are templates that you can use for your website logo. As your website logo. So let's customize this one right here. So let's say I want to change the background to, let's change the background. Yeah. Let's use the red color here. Then let's change the text here. Let's add a logo here. Let's add some things here. Elements here. Let's use this one. Done. Now you can download this logo here free and upload it to your website. This is cool, nice logo for a fitness website. Yeah. If you're having a fitness website, it's a professional one you can use right here. So let me show you the third source that you can use, a free source you can use again to make a free logo for your website. Or Pixlr. So let's go to Pixlr website here. So here I am on the pixlr.com. So let's go to the home page here. So here in the home page of Pixlr, you want to go to create new. Here, down here. Create new. So you want to go to web because you want to create a logo for our website. So let's go to web. So here in the web, you want to choose one of the template depending on your preference. Let's choose icon here. When you choose icon, then you want to go to create. So this is our icon here. So you want to add some layout if you like. We want to add text. So you can now add text. You can add anything you like here, just like on Canva. When you made your logo, then you can go here, save. Then you can download here, save as PNG. So that is the three sources that you can use. The first one is Adobe. The second one is Canva. The other one is Pixlr. So let me know your comment down below. Let me know what to like, what to don't like on this video. Subscribe to this channel, and I will see you in the next video. Thanks for watching.